Hey guys, Pokemon Trainer Callum back with another video. Today I'm going to be opening one pack from my booster box, and I'm going to be opening this Evolutions pack. There's a guaranteed EX in every pack. Don't know what that was. Right, so we have Prinplup, I can't ever say that. Azumarill. Oh, that's nice. That's definitely going to a different page. So we got Claw Fossil. Oh, what? A Steelix EX. Oh, a Pokepuff. A Fletchinder. I had a mistake card once. It said Talonflame. I can go get it if you want, guys. Then we have Pansear, and when I flatten it down like that, we have a Special Energy, Splash Energy, and the final card is a Thundurus EX. So I'm gonna open one more. Another, what, this one's a Blastoise. I think there's something in there. Is that clear? Right, yeah. Okay, so we got Shieldon, Piplup, Wobbuffet, Spritzee, Typhlosion, Zoilius, Special Energy, and 2 cards. So we have a, oh my god, I have a Swap Break. It's a Chloritza Break. And a Swap EX, Camerupt EX. Right, so let's get them all together. I will go get the 2 mistake cards because there's 2 I just remembered. I'll be back. I got it from actual Pokemon pack, by the way. Right, so I'm going to put the other mistake card down here. Put in the comments what you think it is. And here's Talonflame, sorry. Focus. Okay, but anyway, it says Talonflame on the top. Has Talonflame's ability. And it says it evolves from Fletchinder, so... Right, have you all guessed what this card is? I'm waiting for you to guess. Have you guessed? Okay, I take it you've guessed. No, you haven't guessed. Yes, you have guessed. Okay, I'm not going to show you. Dun dun dun! Nidorino! Because it's got Drifloon. It says it evolves from Drifloon. Okay, it's not focusing today. Basically, it has a picture of Drifloon and says evolves from Nidoran. And it has Peck. That's not... Anyway. Nidorino. But let's just run through all the cards I got again. Thundurus EX, Azumarill, Prinplup, Special Energy, Pansear, Fletchinder, the right Fletchinder, Pokepuff, Steelix EX, Clawfossil, Camerupt EX, Chloritza Break, Special Energy, Zerilius, Typhlosion, Spritzy, Wobbuffet, Piplup, Shieldon, Nidorango, and Talonflame. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the new background. Here, I've got the Charizard EX box which my friend linked to me, and oh god, I've got Mewtwo EX and Charizard EX. And then I might find somewhere to put this Sun and Moon. Oh god. This Sun and Moon poster. Probably, let's see if you can see it. Probably like here. But I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye. Bye.